In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily update Snapchat app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up App Store or Google Play if you are on Android, and then just search for Snapchat. And if that button next to Snapchat says update, you can just tap on it to download and install the latest Snapchat app version. However, even if this button says open, there might still be a new technical update for a Snapchat app, and especially if you are having some problems with your Snapchat app, if there are some bugs or some errors, you can force reinstall Snapchat app, and let me show you how you can easily do that. So let's hop out App Store and then head over to Settings, then General, and then iPhone Storage. After that, just scroll down until you find Snapchat, and all you have to do now is just first off upload app, and then you will be able to reinstall that app in that simple way. And what that will do, that will force reinstall Snapchat app, which most likely will fix the most problems with the app. And after the process is finished, you will be able to open up Snapchat app and use it as before without even re-entering your login and password, because all your documents and data wasn't removed. If you are on Android device, you can just clear Snapchat app cache. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Snapchat tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.